Here we are discussing intensity of wave. Just I'm choosing the propagation of the wave. So wave is, just to consider, wave is propagating along with the positive x-axis. So this is sinusoidal wave. The wave, when wave is propagating in a particular direction, so it's what velocity v, wave velocity. So wave is propagating in a particular direction. The energy can be transferred from one part of medium to another part of medium. So that I mean to say, it's what, this is y-axis, it's amplitude. The amplitude of this is what, a, and so amplitude is either sides, it's a minus a. Okay, so now this is the wave velocity. Yes, now when what you say from this statement, the statement is what, when wave travels from one so wave travels are in the direction of wave motion. Okay, so that's what, when a wave travels, so through a medium, when a wave travels through a medium, energy can be transferred from one part of medium to another part of medium. From one part of medium to another part of medium. Now, what is the wave intensity? Let us discuss about what is the wave intensity. So, wave intensity in generally that the average amount of energy flow in a medium. So, the average amount of energy flow in a medium per unit time per unit cross sectional area. So intensity I is equals to energy per time per unit cross sectional area. I is equals to, so that's what, energy per time is what, power per area of cross section. So in generally, for first one I'm talking about what is energy. Energy, when a particle in a wave motion, means what, the medium particle executing simple harmonic motion. Okay, so the energy executed by the particle half m omega square a square. Okay, you know m is what, it's a mass. Mass is equals to density into volume. So density into volume is what, area into what, length. Yes, distance traveled. So this energy is equals to half m means what, rho a. A means what I'm talking about. This is just a minute. A I'm choosing as, it's a surface area, means what, yes, I'm taking this because A stands for amplitude. We may get confusion on this. So it's what, a rho s l omega square a square. Yes, so this is what energy. Now here E is equals to half rho s l omega square a square. Now we can write about, this is E is equals to half rho s into l. Omega means what, it's a 2 pi f. So 4 pi square f square a square. 2 and 2 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2s are. So this is equals to, energy is equals to 2 pi square f square amplitude a square rho s into l is the energy. Now I am talking about power. So power transferred during this wave motion. So power is what, P. P is equals to energy per time. So what is the energy we had? 2 pi square n square a square rho s into L by what? T. Okay, so this will become as 2 pi square n square a square rho. This is S is what? Surface area through which the energy is transferring. Okay, yes. And displacement by time I can say as velocity. Okay, so this is what? Power. Now if you speak about this intensity, so what is the intensity? Intensity is what? I. I is equals to, just now we discussed, P by surface area. Surface area means 2 pi square n square a square rho s into V by what? S. S and S cancel. 2 pi square n square a square rho into what? It's a V. This is intensity. Finally, we came to the conclusion that what? Wave intensity, it's a I. This is I. So I is proportional to amplitude square. I is equals to K into A square. K is the proportionality constant. If the phase difference, if phase difference between two waves, phase difference between two waves is phi. Okay, so then the resultant R is equals to what? You write two amplitudes A1 and A2 are what? Amplitudes. These are amplitudes. Yes, so it's what? A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos phi. Yes, so this is R square is equals to A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos phi. Okay, phi is what? Phase difference. Phi is the phase difference. So delta phi is equals to, K into delta x. Delta x is what? Path difference. K is the propagation constant. So now I need to write about intensity. Just now we written intensity is what? The intensity I proportional to a square. Okay, from I proportional to a square. Let us bring from here to here. This is what? I proportional to a square means what? R square means it's I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. Okay, I can also write I1 means what? Under root of I1 whole square. I2 means under root of I2 whole square. So from here I can say this is I maximum intensity means what? Root I1 plus root I2 whole square. Minimum intensity is I minimum is equals to root I1 minus root I2 whole square. So next one, it's a intensity ratio. So from this I'm writing about intensity ratio. Intensity ratio I maximum intensity by minimum intensity is equals to root I1 plus under root I2 whole square by root I1 minus under root I2 whole square. Okay, root I1 means what? I proportional to a square. Root I is proportional to what? A. Okay, I can also write intensity ratio I max by I minimum is equals to root I1 means what? A1 plus A2 whole square by A1 minus A2 whole square. Okay, so this is about intensity ratio. So these two terms we can use for the problem solving for the intensity ratio. So like this we can write it as.